Right, I haven't been doing many videos lately because I've been waiting for parts for this 200 TDI to come in, and you know it never rains, it pours. Like, 6 or 7 boxes the other day come in, so we're going to get on with that. But first of all, I've got to clear up a little job I've been working on for myself that I thought might be interesting for you, and it's just a simple jack. I found this in the container. There we go, that's it. I found this in the container. It's a Shelly screw jack, and I stripped it down and it was in remarkable good condition. But these are the jacks that used to be in the old 2-door Range Rovers. I'll try and put a picture here of what it is, you know, like it was all stuck on the side with clips and things. I actually found one. In fact, I've got 2, if anybody's interested, because it's no good to me, but somebody might need it. And I've got everything here for it. Look, there's the handles, and there's the little stick thing that goes through here so you can wind your jack up. Them were the days, eh? So I'm just going to put it together, but it's got a little thrust washer here, thrust bearing, and what had happened to it, a couple of the balls had gone flat. It was so dry, it was unbelievable. And anyway, I went down to JP, sure enough he had a drawer full of them, so I put 3-4 in, and it's back to normal again. So we'll just put that together with a bit of grease, and at the same time I'm going to mention that today is my cousin's 50th birthday, and she'd be very pleased if I did a little bit of an announcement to say happy birthday, because she's all paranoid now because she's turned that age, you know what I mean. Yeah. Funny old things, isn't it, birthdays? I remember the day that she was born. My mother and I were in Middlesbrough. And of course my mother was all excited about things, you know, and I think we were so excited we went to Upton's, if anybody can remember Ernie Upton's in Middlesbrough, and we got our first colour TV. I don't know why I'm telling you that, it's really useless info really. But we got our first colour television back in the day and rented it because we couldn't afford one. But back in the day everybody rented tellies because they were so unreliable, you know, they got them fixed for free. So that's basically all there is to it. There's not much to this jack at all. I don't know why I bothered telling you about my cousin. But like I said, plenty of grease on them. That would be a nice little piece of kit for somebody's... that's how that goes off. So that goes on later. That's right, this is it. So now this drops into here, but this is where it gets sort of clever. And it's got a pivoty type thing on the top. And it's like a rocky bottom, so that when you're jacking your car up it'll level itself out. I think they're more like a Widowmaker than a jack, but never mind. So we'll put this bit on. There we go, put that bit on. There's nothing to them. As I say, there's nothing to them. We'll tighten them up later because these will no doubt be Whitworth. Yeah, I'll put that in later because like I said, I haven't got a spanner for that. But the interesting part was how it worked. Inside here, there's a piece of casting that's on a, well, like a keyway. And this little clip here clips into a groove in here. I'll get some pliers out and we'll put that in. One piece, and then the other piece. There we go, that's it. So in effect what happens is that little spring clip that I've just been trying to put in can't turn against that key, so this can't drop out. And then we blather it with grease all over, make sure it's not going to rust out, and put this little plate on the bottom, and then crimp it over. And that is it. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to find my spanner and tighten these up here. Right, what a mess about that was, trying to get them bolts in. But that's it, look at that. Works great, eh? You know, the funniest thing about this type of thing here is that these are bits that usually go missing, and it's very unusual to have all the parts. I say I've got another one, but I haven't got a stick thing. If anybody's interested in these, you know, give me a call. The sticker's got a bit damaged, but I did find out that you can actually buy the sticker separately, they're £5 a piece. But that would look nice in your car. Not that you're going to see it because it's all covered up. Right, that's it. See you in the next one. We're going to be busy.